حامدا ونصلي على أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وما أرسلنا من رسول إلا بلسان قومه ليبين لهم فيذل الله من يشاء ويهدي من يشاء وهو العزيز الحكيم. Dear all friends, today I'm standing here to deliver a speech on the topic importance of English language for ulama. The first heading for you is importance of English language in our life. Let's take an example. Spinal cord, which has got very important in our body. Once we remove it, neither we can walk nor sit. Same like this, English language in our practical life. Once we remove the importance of English language, whatever the degrees you have, whatever the courses you have done, but your communication power is weak, means you are very far back in your life. My dear friends and audience, gone are the days when a few scholars raised objection against English. They were right then, but situation changed now. Ulama need to learn English in today's era. The time has totally changed. Time demands new challenges. The world has shrunk into global village, and English is considered the mother tongue of this world. In the galaxy of languages, English commands great significance by the way of its dominance in the field of education. My dear friends, what should be the work for ulama? Definitely doing dawah, teaching and practicing and spreading the knowledge of Islam to others, promoting virtues and behavior and providing guidance and clarifying the misconception about Islam and remaining humble and kindness. Doing this all the thing, English is the most powerful tool and method, especially for doing dawah in entire world. My friends, this is the era of English language. 20 years back, it was not that important, which is today. Because of English language, there are some ulama like Dr. Zakir Naik, Mufti Manik, they are able to convey the message, they are able to preach the message in worldwide. And they are doing perfectly well. But some Christian and Jews has written books against Islam. In English language, ulama must learn this language to answer them, to defend them and teach them what is exactly right and wrong, and make them understand in their languages. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, Surah Ibrahim, Surah number 14, verse number 4, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَا مِن رَّسُولٍ إِلَّا بِلِسَانِ قَوْمِهِ لِيُبَيِّنَ لَهُمْ فَيُضِلُّ اللَّهُ مَن يَشَاءُ وَيَهْدِي مَن يَشَاءُ وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. We did not send any messengers but in the language of his people, so that he might clearly convey the message to them. Therefore, Allah sends his messenger to teach the people in the language they know. This is because it is necessary for ulama to learn this language in order to go and do dawah. Importance of Arabic is at the top of all the languages for ulama, but ulama must learn other languages besides Arabic, which has their own specialty and quality. My Islamic brothers, if ulama know English language, they can access a wider range of Islamic literature, research, knowledge, and it facilitates their communication, collaboration with people and scholars and communities from other countries. It enables them to spread and propagate Islamic teaching and values in all over the world. It enhances their ability to participate in international conference, seminars and discussions. My dear all friends, additionally it opens up opportunity for ulama to share their knowledge, thoughts, ideas with non-Arabic speaking communities. English provides ulama to engage in interreligious dialogue and exchange ideas with people from different religious backgrounds. Knowing English language can be a shield for ulama in teaching, traveling and writing and publishing and doing dawah internationally and domestically as well. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Nahl, Surah number 16, verse number 125. Udu ila sabili rabbika bil hikmati wa maw'izatil hasana. Invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom and good instructions, and argue with them in such a way that is the best and most gracious. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also says, Udu ila rabbika innaka la'ala hudan mustaqim. Calling towards to the way of your Lord, indeed you are upon straight guidance. My dear old friends, in a nutshell and conclusion, according to me, English is undoubtedly the best language to learn for ulama. I wind up my speech thanking all great people for hearing me in this speech.